Similar to the sachet water production business, I've also created an ebook for the bottled water production business. And this one is very, very important because for bottled water setup, there is a lot of gaps when it comes to knowing more about the business, understanding the project, and understanding why you should go into it or why you should not go into it. In the table of content here, similar to the sachet water business, we have the introduction part, the opportunity part, land and water source, power and energy, construction and factory building. I followed all this in a sequence because for you to establish a water factory, you need to do some first things first. First things first, which I do tell people, especially those who have joined me in my one-on-one coaching, is that the first thing you need to have, aside from the capital, is you need to have a land with a good water source and a power source. Now, in this ebook also, which I'll be leaving the link in the description, in the bio, and also in the comments, I talk about the numbers part most especially because the numbers is what some people are usually not aware of. Now, for setting up, you would need approximately close to 100 million naira. If I'm being honest, I think that should be around close to 55,000 US dollars. So once you have this money, this includes things like acquiring all the equipment. For bottled water, you have the bottle making part. That's the side where you make the bottles. You have the water treatment part. You're packaging water, so you need to treat the water. There's bottle making, there's water treatment section, there's filling section. This is your monoblock machine that does the washing, filling, and capping. There's the labeling section. If you are working with an automatic machine, it does that automatically. But if you are not working with an automatic machine, you can fix the labels before actually running it through the monoblock machine. Then there's the shrink wrapping section too, which is the packaging section. This is the machine that does the wrapping and packaging. So all these sections included, you'll see that if you are building a bottled water factory, there is an extra room you need, which initially maybe you don't have in your sachet water factory, which is most especially the pet blowing room. Now the pet blowing machine is a separate machine on its own. Some people even do pet blowing business separately from the water production business. But having the pet blowing machine will help you in your production and to reduce time of logistics, all those other things. So yeah, all these equipments combined is what makes the price actually go up. Now for bottled water, you also have to consider having things like a transformer in your factory. There are some other strategies too which you can implement in order to have maybe backup energy. You could get a diesel generator, anything from 100 kVA, even a transformer. You're looking at anything from all those 100 kVA upwards, and so much more. So all these things are jam packed, although I won't say jam packed, but they are all contained in the ebook, and it's meant to give you more and more understanding and for you to at least know if this is a business you should go into. Because the worst thing that can happen is for you to invest your money in a business and along the line you see that, oh boy, this thing is getting beyond my power. Because number one, you didn't use money to do something else, and you've already invested it in an area where you can't start taking it out. And even if you were to start making some other preparations, it will still cost you money. So understanding what and what you need to have and those things you need to put in place before getting into the business, all those things are important. So similarly to, I go further to discuss the equipment and the materials that are required. Aside from the equipment, there are recurring materials which you need to get for bottled water production. I also talk about the registration and legal compliances. Similar to sachet water production, you need to do registration for bottled water. Then there's also the operations and management, how you operate your factory, your management of the whole factory, how you pay your staff, etc. is all contained here. Then there is marketing and distribution. Marketing and distribution also gives you an idea on how to supply your products. And I also include a subsection of a business idea which I've always had, and I know it's something that will thrive well, especially if you are selling sachet and bottled water, which is cold water distribution. This is an area or a subsection of the water business which a lot of competitors are not actually investing in right now, which is setting up a cold room which will be used for selling cold water. So just like the sachet water business, I've even done a video where I covered my personal distribution store where I sell sachet water with some bottled water products. So you can set up something like this, and when I'm talking about all this setup, the main idea is to have it self-sufficient and run it with solar. So if you can have a distribution outlet like this, especially for your bottled water harbor, you will become a premium supplier, because you will be supplying not only to supermarkets, you start supplying events, they'll be booking you, because once they know there is a gathering, and in most gatherings, especially in places where it is hot. Now is the rainy season, but even with the rainy season, there are days where it do get hot. So if you are able to package your own business in such a way that you invest your money well, and you have a distribution store where you are able to sell cold bottled water, you will capture the market. Now, if you are in an area where cold water is not necessarily a thing, you don't really need it here, you can also still have a distribution store where you keep your product. And now, because you own that distribution store, you can now decide how much you will sell at the retail price. So basically, this ebook is very rich, especially if you want to get the full understanding and you want to make your own decision if you will go into the business or not. I will highly recommend you get this ebook. By the way, if you've watched the video this far, don't forget to leave a like on the video and also subscribe to the channel. Then in addition to the marketing and distribution, there's also the launch and beyond. So these are some of those things that you will need to look at first before you actually launch your business and go into the market. I know there are a lot of people who maybe they've not really done their own analysis, but they've already made up their mind. There are people like that. I do consult for people where sometimes you try to give them advice which will help them succeed, but they've already made up their mind on what they want to do. So if you are in that phase, I would recommend you also check out this ebook, because by opening your mind and understanding some of those things, it will really, really help you. There are things that you need to invest money in. I know somebody called me recently, he was telling me he didn't know that this thing will take out such money from his hand. So that's why I'm making all these videos, because personally too, we experienced it in our factory. And I know what it means for you to invest money in places where at the long run you start saying, I know I would have invested in this other place. So that's the whole essence and the importance of this ebook. So yeah, if you're interested in the bottled water business, I will highly recommend this ebook. Also, check out the sachet water ebook if you are interested in the sachet water business. The reason why I didn't combine them together is because the material will be too bulky. And there are people who are just interested in sachet water business. There are people who are just interested in bottled water. If you are interested in both, you can get both. So that by the time you go through them, you will have them as useful resources that will help you understand how to push further with business.